What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today I got something cool. This is a big spender in the auto glass and windshield repair niche, right? So this guy is spending $500 a day. I'm going to show you the kind of results he's getting with a big budget like this. So let's check this out. Before we get into this case study video, I just want to make this very clear. What you're about to see is a template. We have literally dozens of these rolled out across the entire United States for clients in all kinds of markets. So if you like what you see and you want us to take this winning campaign and simply put your business in front of this audience, we clone these campaigns and we swap your information in and we roll this out in your market, assuming we can work with you and your market's not saturated. We can only work with so many auto glass repair companies, replacement companies within one market. Obviously, we can't work with everybody. So if that's of interest to you and you want us to roll this marketing campaign out for your business in your market, then there should be a link in the description to apply to work with us. And if your territory is still available, we can turn this around for you in as fast as 24 hours and have you live and generating leads. Okay, so the first thing I should probably say before we get started, majority of this traffic and these leads are from cell phones. That is the nature of this niche. We want the phone calls. We don't really want contact forms because this is a mobile auto glass repair shop and they have several different trucks out on the road and they're just going out and repairing windshields, replacing windshields, auto glass stuff like side windows, back windows, chips, cracks, all that stuff. They do everything. Even on like RVs, tractor trailers, like these guys do everything. So that's why they're a pretty decent sized company. They have several trucks out on the road. So they have a $500 a day budget Monday through Friday. In the last 30 days, they've gotten 1,100 clicks, 17,000 impressions, 6.51% click-through rate, which is great. Always want to be above 5%. Average cost per click is $8.64, which is a little bit high, but they're in a very competitive area. The total cost they spent in the last 30 days was about $9,700. They've gotten 321 leads, okay, at a cost per lead of $30. $30 is pretty much a little bit towards the high end for mobile auto glass repair. Ideally, I'd like that around 25. 20 to 25 is where I'd like to be, and that will come down with more time. Conversion rate, 28%. So that's, that's a unicorn. That's way above what we're aiming for, which is 20%. Anything above 25, I'm extremely ecstatic with. And then we just have some metrics for our optimization team here. But overall, a killer last 30 days. I mean, 321 inbound leads to their dispatch team to send out and do all this stuff and close more deals. If we go into the ad groups here, you'll see we have the target CPA set for 17. So we're trying to lower that 30 into the 25 range, like I said before. You can see all the ad groups here driving leads. So 72 leads came from windshield replacement, 44 came from car window repair, car window replacement, 37, auto glass repair, 36 leads, windshield repair, 33 leads, windshield glass repair, 27, and on and on. So there's a lot of different ad groups we got going on here. Sunroof stuff, RV. So a lot of big vehicle stuff. Then we have just the generic stuff down here, which isn't really doing too much. So if we go into the devices though, you'll see here a gigantic majority of the leads came from cell phones, right? And we're actually bidding aggressively to get more of those. So that's why our CPA is $30, not 25, because we have a 15% plus bid adjustment on that because the client just wants more volume. So we are aggressively going after his market. He's got an 85% top impression share, which simply just means his ads are 85% of the time are in one of the top 3 spots when someone searches any one of his keywords. So with that said, if this is a campaign that you would like to roll out for your business, once again, I'll go through this. It's a template. We roll these out for dozens of clients every single month across the entire United States. Assuming your market is not taken, meaning we have too many people in a market already, fill out the application link in the description below this video and we can clone this winning campaign. All we do is put your name in it, your phone number, your landing page that we will build to send these leads to you. It's that simple. So hit that application link and I'll see you guys on the inside.